Okay, so this is the structural review. The first thing you're going to do under the structural review is I want to check to see if it was fabricated according to standards back then on the review of a structural engineer or some sort of standard. Secondly, I'm going to check to see if it was installed correctly. And that's what I'm going to look for in this, see if it's attached correctly as per the standards of all the farescapes that I've seen. And the third thing I'm going to see is whether it's been maintained and free and devoid of all rust on any internal connection. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So on the general review, no obstructions, and it's been kept painted, and that's pretty much the general review. But on the structural review, I'm going to look for things. I'm going to answer the top 3 questions. Was it built to standard like any other farescape? Well, the first thing I see is that this is wrong. And when I bring this down, you're going to see that there's something wrong with how I get in and out of this farescape. The number 2 thing that I see here, I don't see, it looks like it was properly attached, so it looks like this cantilever has to face the other way. It cannot face this way because it's wrong. There's just no mathematically it's very bad. So I'm going to start looking at it right now, and hopefully the cameraman is going to follow me because every now and then he misses. But when I pull this down, you're going to clearly see that this farescape, which is supposed to come down by itself, it's supposed to be single action, releases with the single activation, it releases and it stays down. So if I look at it, the fact that it goes back up is not correct. So it fails the load, the balance test. Second, it's supposed to have clearance as I walk down. So right now I start running into a problem right here, and I'm not supposed to do this. This is illegal for me to do this. Climb up and under. Okay, so I can't do that. But now let's take a look at what I'm supposed to do here. It looks like these are replacement gratings. These are grip struts. So if somebody's replaced this, I'm going to take a peek here and verify the connections. The first thing that I have a problem with on these is that these are all undersized. The minimum that you're required to have on this, the holes are there for 3/8, and somebody used 1/8.